that on video.
Hey guys, we are back at it again. Got Chef Dan on board this morning.
He soaked me already in 3 inches of water.
I just know how to get them wet. What can I say? I'm good like that. But we're over here at Martha's. We're gonna do some togging. Got the Bass Pro Microlight Elite today that we're gonna use for togging. So we'll see how she does. You ready?
As ready as I'm gonna be. Let's do this.
Told Chef Dan he needs to use the Temu rod today. He doesn't want to do it.
Nope. I think I'm gonna use the Sheen rod instead.
No. Everybody,
Easier.
comment on this video. Let Chef Dan know that he needs to use the Temu rod.
And let Brian know that he needs to get better driving lessons on the boat.
Dan's on while jigging a
Trying
crab.
to get it out of a crack.
Oh, that's a solid one.
It's a big one.
That might be a keeper.
I think it's a keeper.
There you go, crushing it, Dan.
What are the chances?
Getting some nibbles. Togger finally starting to wake up, it seems. All the big boats are also waking up and waking us out. And as you can see, the bilge pump is working quite hard. My pants are wet up to like almost my knees.
I'm finally dry from the drenching I took earlier.
That's good.
This is called karma.
Got one on the microlight.
Get him, Brian, get him.
Yep, not a keeper, but fun little fight. Dan's on. Tug it. Yeah, he's gonna be short. Feels good. He is running all over the place. That's a good one. Yep. He's gonna be really close. There we go. Fish on.
Nice.
Microlight's getting work done.
You're hauling in so
Yeah.
many 15.
Yep, another good tog. He's probably he's right under.
He's just under.
As soon as it got to the bottom, started getting some bumps.
Huh?
As soon as it got to the bottom, started getting some bumps. Just need commitment. They are playing with their food this morning. There we go.
Okay.
He's not that big. Yep. That's another 15. There we go.
Okay.
He's not that big. Yep. That's another 15. There we go. Doing tricks. Hey, stop it. I'm wet enough.
Everything wants to like soak us today.
Yep.
Other boats. A record breaker, but it's a fish.
Dan's on. Oh, it's his buddy again. Mr. Toadfish. You missed him, didn't you?
No, not at all.